Many in Goa are named after Titan, named as Titan. They are named as Saint Cajetan. So this Saint Cajetan was the founder of a religious order known as Theatines. And the Theatines came to Goa and they were established in the year 1655. And when did they got permission? It was in this day of March the 22nd. So the Theatines, they came here, they built a church dedicated to divine providence, Nossa Senhora da Divina Providencia, which is still existing. Along with that, they had their convent. So that convent, after the expulsion of the Theatines as well as all the other religious orders from Goa, it has now been changed into the Diocesan Pastoral Center. So, dear people, as you are remembering these historical facts, please pray for all the souls of those Theatine fathers as well as their benefactors. Eternal rest grant unto their souls, O Lord, and let perpetual light shine upon them. May their souls rest in peace. Amen.